Dwelling stands for Passion for Your Home. We're a lifestyle store which strives to give the customer an outstanding experience. As trends change, we change. When our customers are happy, we are happy. As we build a strong team, we're building a strong brand. We know that since our team is the face of our brand, we can only be as great as the team we build. That's why we give priority to individuals, invest in the best team members, each with endless opportunities to advance their career not only through Dwellings, but the entire group of companies.
Growth has always been in our DNA. We started with one store back in 2006, and today we have 4 stores, 3 brands, Dwellings for home, Lily Plum Kids for everything for baby to tween, and the Ashley Furniture Home Store, which we operate under a license.
Today we have almost 40 employees. Most of them work in sales, which is the driving force of the business. We also have a lot of employees who work in the back office and in the warehouse, dealing with deliveries, repairs, marketing, accounting, buying.
I'm currently an assistant manager at Dwellings. My everyday job role includes that we attain targets, making sure the store is properly stocked and that pricing is done correctly, and we're aware of everyday sales.
My job's 2-tiered, as I have both marketing and design studio to manage. Under marketing, I handle social media promotions, in-store promotions, and I lead the department with 2 graphic designers. Through the design studio, we meet with customers who are looking for something a little more custom or special order. So they can come into the design studio and pick out special fabrics, pieces that they don't see in store, and get something that really suits their style.
My day-to-day job role basically is just making sure that the warehouse is functioning properly, making sure the guys are happy within their roles, making sure that all items leaving warehouse leaves in proper condition, and more or less operations to a degree.
When hiring candidates for the organization, we look for passion, energy, and a commitment to excellence. We look for the best in the market because we want to deliver the best in the market.
The best part of my day, I would have to say, would be the customer satisfaction. When persons come into Dwellings, we don't sell them items, we don't sell them merchandise, we sell them an experience. So when you come into Dwellings, whether you come to buy a furniture piece or whether you come to buy a decor piece, we're really selling you an experience. So the best part of my day would be when we've sold the customer that experience.
As the business has grown, our focus as directors has really been about growth, evaluating opportunities that come up and translating that into opportunities for growth. That also includes the development of our people, because as we grow, there become more opportunities for people to grow with the organization.
I've actually started out in 2008 as a sales associate, and from there I got promoted to visual merchandiser, and also from there I went on to assistant manager visual merchandiser, and currently I hold the position of store manager.
I started at Dwellings as a sales associate, and then I became the baby registry specialist. Then I moved on to being the shift leader, and now I am in training to become an assistant manager.
I would recommend Dwellings to anyone as a company to work for because of the type of persons that work with Dwellings presently. Everyone that works with Dwellings has a very focused attitude, a very go-getting mindset, and the company itself also allows you as an individual to grow.
I would recommend working for Dwellings if you're looking for somewhere to really jumpstart your career, because any position you start in at Dwellings, there's always room to grow, there's opportunity to move up and really discover what you want to do in your career.
I would definitely recommend Dwellings for anyone to work so they can fit into our family space and so they can learn and grow as the rest of us did.
To be a part of a whole new experience, more or less, it's not just a job, it's an identity.
We're very excited to continue to grow regionally. We really want to create new standards for retailing in the region and take this company to the next level. So every opportunity we're looking at, seeing how it fits in terms of our core business and whether it makes sense to do. So that's a continuous process for us.
I think we're always excited about the next step. Both Louis and I are very ambitious people, and from day one we've had very lofty goals for our company. We're never really satisfied with where we are now, and we're always looking to what's next and how can we improve the business. So I think that's pretty exciting.
and the next step and the next step beyond that. So even as we're about to take the next step, we're looking at the next step.
As we continue to grow, we continue to add committed and charismatic members to our team. Want to join us? All you need is charisma, innovation, and the desire to be part of something amazing. If you're stylish, aware of fashion trends, enjoy a good challenge, and are hoping to be successful in your career, we want you. Dwellings is passion for the home, passion for building the best team.